And hey guys, this is Zambam here, and welcome to Subway Surfers, first episode. Anyway, you guys apparently like to see me freak out whenever something's going wrong, so, yeah. Anyway, wait. Water break. Ooh, the music. Anyway, you guys like to hear me when I freak out, so yes, you like seeing me freak out. Dumbass. Anyway, I'll get right into this because you guys like to see me when I get really scared at moments. Okay, so jump up here. Rock! No! What the heck? That was the weirdest glitch ever. Oh, a bee. What's that? Is that the daily challenge? Okay. Roll. Is it spade? Okay, I want 3 spades. Jump. Jump. Left. Jump. Anyway, guys, leave in the comments if you want to see me play Spider-Man Unlimited. Okay. Anyway, leave in the comments if you want to see me play Spider-Man Unlimited. Yeah. If you don't know what Spider-Man Unlimited is, it's kind of like this, except there's like a story to it and everything, and you can play on limitless mode, but it's not as fun. It's fun, but you don't have any story to it. It's kind of weird. I don't know. Anyway, so pretty much you get to combine levels with spiders, and you get to do a bunch of different spiders. A bunch of different Spider-Man versions of Spider-Man. And you get to do a bunch of different versions of them. So, if you want to know what that flicking sound is, it's my brother in the background playing Minecraft. Say hello. So, guys, it says I have subscribed. Someone subscribed, but when I looked at my thing, my friend said he subscribed to me. So I'm like, oh cool, like he likes my videos. So what I did was I looked at my thing to go check if he actually subscribed because he likes to mess around with me. And he said he really did, but it wasn't showing up. So, it was kind of weird. So, guys, tomorrow tell me if it just showed up, or tell me if it showed up while I'm recording this. Anyway. Plus, you guys seem to like the Nemo's Reef challenge. You guys seem to like that. Anyway, that was a weird glitch, too. You guys seem to like that a lot. Collect 199 more. Oh, come on. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching. That was really fun. Bye. Don't want Panda Pop. Anyway, so if you guys like this, you probably won't. It's kind of weird of a let's play, but one of my favorite YouTubers, Blitzwinger, did it, and you guys liked it, so yeah. Anyway, shout out to Blitzwinger. He's the one who made me want to do my channel, along with a lot of other subscribers, YouTubers like Jacksepticeye. Except I will not be doing any of his content, like Jacksepticeye, Stampy, a bunch of other people that I don't want to have to thing. And double up! You guys ready? Double up! Whoa. That looks cool. That looks cool. I want to get this game. Guys, tell me if you want me to get this game. It's very loud. Tell me if you wanted me to get this game. Okay, 7 nights. Tell me if you want me to get that game. It's very loud. Oh crap. What the heck? I don't want no ravioli. I don't want it. And yeah, so I have no clue how long I've been recording. How long have I been recording? Oh, cool. Anyway, guys, if you like this Let's Play, give it a big thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe if you like my content. No forcefulness. Anyway, I personally like my content because it's me. So, that's cool. Oh! Anyway, my brother over here, he said my name. What do you want? I guess he wants nothing. Oh! A box! Kill myself on purpose. Anyway, that'll be it for this episode. No way. You guys ready for it? Double up! Card trader.
Collect your favorite characters. Trade with users around the world. Complete sets, win awards, and upgrade your collection.
What the heck?
All in Star Wars Card Trader. Download free today.
What is this? Well, 1 million coins! You guys see that? That was epic! Anyway. Well, yeah. This is Playcast, as you guys know. And bye.